up mga mananap? Ito mananap Queen Sef Abule. And hi, how are ya? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Nanapuntaning welcome back. Sana all balikan. No? Sana all balikan. Maskin walay uyab. Niya kay wala man tayo uyab guys. So, walay mo balik ani. Ito joke lang guys. So, as you can see in our title for today's video mga mananap, like I'm just gonna be DIYing my hair, doing a keratin treatment with my hair using organic ingredients. Manaday na ako ni siya gikuan. So, I'm gonna be showing how I did it later in this video. And if you're new to my channel guys, well, do not forget to subscribe and the notification bell below so you'll be updated from all the videos I'll be going to upload. And I will be linking all my social media accounts in the description box and up here so that we'll be connected at all times. So, in this video mga mananap, I'm gonna be showing you how I transform my very like problematic and dead hair into this. Well, literally like, it's very silky right now, as you can see guys. So this hair is not actually so great and it's like it's dead already, as you can see guys. After doing such process, oh, I'm very sorry guys, kaya medyo ulan dyan. I hope you can clearly hear me right now because it's raining. So I'm just gonna be showing you guys. So now if you're willing to know how I did this, so medyo ni kusog magandang ulan guys. So if you're willing to know how I actually did this, well, please keep on watching, and without further ado, let's get started.
He likes boys, finally now it's all making sense. He likes boys, I like this guy but he's on the fence. He likes boys, can't believe this happened again. He likes boys, oh boys, oh.
So as you can see guys, my hair right now, it's dry, like it's dead and it's not okay. Like it's very problematic, you know, like oh my god, it needs nutrients guys, it needs vitamins. So yeah, so the first thing I do guys, so I'm just gonna like tie this hair up. I'm very sorry for my face right now guys, I haven't been like moisturizing myself. So now guys, these are the materials that we need, or these are the ingredients that we need. So I'm very sorry guys, kinay manok sa kilid, so din ako na siya mapugngan and I cannot shut it up, diba? So yes, pasensya kayo guys. So these are the materials, or these are the ingredients that we need. So I have a bowl here, or a bowl. So na ako'y bowl diri guys, and I have a foundation brush, and I'm literally opening the keratin. So I'm actually using the cream silk right there. I'm just gonna be pouring that into the, so here's the cream silk, and now I'm gonna be opening these vinegar. I'm just gonna be using a very small amount guys ha, hindi siya yung nga hotdon yun, siguro mga 1 teaspoon lang ana. Then mix na to siya. So pag human yung mix guys, if you can feel nga medyo kulang pa ang vinegar, so you can add, if you feel nga sticky pa bitaw ang conditioner, so you can add more vinegar. I've bleached my hair for already 5 times siguro. Okay, di yun siya ingon nga makulor akong hair guys. I don't know what's the main reason ganun yung buho ka. Pobre naman unta. So now guys, I've already mixed the conditioner and the vinegar. So now I'm gonna be applying that to my very dry and dramatic hair. So yes. massage it all over your scalp. Ano guys, oh, para tipid. Oh, diba? Para walay masayang guys, kay mahal kayong conditioner karong tag-utso. So after that process guys, well, you can actually leave your hair with the ingredients for at least 20 to 30 minutes. I've already washed my hair guys, it's already 20 minutes. So ako na siyang giwas-wasan guys, kay baho kay siyang suka, mga tagbahong balutan. So siyang trapuhan. So, lower na to. That's what we call tea, you know. So, muna siya ang result, guys. Yeah. Wala pa. So, after that, guys, just try to, like, comb your hair. So, let's tie it up. So of course guys, after na, so ready your plansa, your hair.